Class Nursery, Subject Maths. Hello students, this is the maths copy for nursery class and I have opened page number 43, and on this page the heading is Count and Write. Count and Write. Children, as you can see, different things are made on this page. Here are the pencils, these are the brinjals, and these are the cups. So children, I have to count the things and then I will write the correct number on the dot given under the picture. So first of all, look at this pencil and count with me. So how many pencils are here? 1. How many pencils? 1. So here is the dot. So I will start writing number 1. So I will start from the dot and I will come straight down and I will stop when I will touch this line. So this is 1 pencil. How many pencils are made here? Count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. So here is the dot. So I will write number 2. So I will start from the dot and I will make it round like this and I will come like this, and when I will touch this line I won't lift up my pencil and I will move to the right side like this. So this is number 2 for 2 pencils. Now children, look here. This is a plus sign. Plus means to add. So here is 1 plus 2. So now I will count the pencils all together. So are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3. I will check once again. 1, 2, 3. Now here parents need to put a dot in front of this is equal sign as I have put, and here as well, and here as well. So now I will count again. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is equals 3. So I will start writing from the dot. First I will make a half circle and then I will join another half circle with it like this. So 1 plus 2 is equals 3. Now children, look here. Here are some brinjals. So count them with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. So I will write 2 on this given dot. I will start from here and I will come like this and then I will turn to the right side. So here are 2 brinjals. 1, 2. 1, 2. So I will again write 2 under these 2 brinjals. Now I will count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, 2 plus 2 is equals 4 because these are 4 brinjals. So 2 plus 2 is equals 4. Now here is the dot and I will write number 4. First I will make a half one, then I will turn to the right side like this and then I will put a line here. So this is number 4. Now children, here is a cup, and how many cups? 1. How many cups? 1. So here is the dot and I will write 1, and 1 is just like a straight line. So 1 plus 1, because this is also 1 cup. 1 plus 1. So I will write 1 here. And now I will count the cups all together. 1, 2. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 is equals 2. So I will write 2 here. I will start from the dot and I will come like this, and when I will touch this line I will turn to the right side. So children, this is how we do count and write. First I counted the things and I wrote the number on the given dots, and then I counted the things all together and I wrote the number in front of the is equals sign. Now I will color these pictures. I have completed the coloring. Children, I hope that you will count the things carefully and you will write the correct number very neatly. Thank you.